What's up guys? My name is Yaw Asiedu and I'm a beauty and fashion photographer here in New York City. Today we are in beautiful Soho with V-Flat World and Adorama to bring you Street Studios. So here in Soho, especially during the summertime, there are a lot of models walking around. So if you keep your eyes peeled, you can spot a model from a mile away. Hello, hi, how are you?
I'm good.
I'm Yao. Are you a model?
Yes, I am.
That's great. See, I was right. She is a model. So I'm Yao. I'm a beauty and fashion photographer here in New York. Would you like for me to take some photos of you? Is that fine?
I mean, yeah,
Okay.
I'm down.
Great. All right, let's go do this. Perfect.
Cool.
Down here in Soho, it gets pretty busy, the streets. There are a lot of people out right now. So I just wanted a clean portrait of Mariah. So I put the black side of the V-flat into a V to create a black backdrop so that we do not have all the distracting elements that are down here in the image. Then we have a white V-flat from under, just filling in a little bit so that we can get a nice clean portrait. So I picked this side because I like the leading lines of this building. I just like how this building looks when she's in front of it. It just takes your eyes right towards her because you look at her and you look at the building. It's just, the line is what I really liked about that building. That's why I chose this spot. We're just on the street taking some photos of some people, and I wanted to see if you want to get some photos taken. You down with that? Sure. Cool. All right, perfect. Come with me. All right. So his fedora is really giving me a vibe right now. So I just want to get this fedora with him on it and just get this sign in the back and just capture the vibe that's going on right now. All right, hold that. That's lovely. So I really liked the shots that I got with Mariah earlier when we had the black V-flat out. But instead of the black, we went with the white side because I want a clean backdrop, but I also want some of the light to fill in on the shadow side of his face, because when it comes to darker skin, what we pay attention to are highlights on the face. So this will create some nice highlights and some rim lights around him. Just light everywhere. He had an extra shirt, nice clean shirt, and we just switched him out to give him a different look. So he's really into fitness, right? I mean, check his abs up. He looks like he's been working out for like 35 years. So he was like, I haven't really done my pull-ups for the day. So we saw the steps up here and he's just like, hey, what if I just hang from the steps and he takes some images of me? So we're gonna do that and we're gonna get some great images of him. I love the black on black that she has on, so I decided I want a very clean portrait of her to create like a black on black portrait basically. So I pulled out the black side of the V-flat, put it in a V shape so she can utilize that way to pose against it to create some very dynamic images. So we put her in the shade. So I'm gonna pop in a flash, a Profoto B1, and we're gonna create some great images. Right, beautiful. Nice, exaggerated. That's nice. So we got some beautiful images out here. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Big shout out to V-Fly World and Adorama TV for having me today. Make sure to subscribe to Adorama TV. Till next time.